Hello friends, welcome to my Annapurni Food Express. Today we have brought Bengali special Rasgulla. It is a very tasty recipe. Also, it is a famous recipe of the Bengal. Also, everyone likes this recipe so much. You can make this recipe at your kitchen very easily. Also, it is more tasty than any other shop's Rasgulla. I share you some secrets with you that you can make this rasgulla at your kitchen very easily. If you want to see this video in Bengali and Hindi, please go to the link in the description below. Also, if you new in this channel, please subscribe my channel. Also, follow my Facebook page. So, let's go. For making this recipe, first I take here 1 liter of milk. After that, I take here 250 gram of sugar. Then I take 1 lemon. I cut this lemon. After that I take 1 bowl of water. Now I extract the juice from this lemon. You can see how to extract the juice from this lemon with the help of the hand. You can see it. I extract all the juice from all the lemon pieces. You can see I extract all the juice from all the lemons. First I make the paneer from the milk. For this I put it on a oven and boiled it. I will wait till the bubbles come. You can see our milk boiled very nicely and bubbles come out. Now I put the gas low and stir it with a spatula. You can see how to stir it. Now I didn't put off the gas. I make the gas low and boiled it another 2 minutes. If you put off the gas immediately after bubbles come out, paneer didn't make very nicely. If you boiled it for 2 minutes more in low flame, paneer become very nicely. You can see I boiled it for 2 minutes very nicely. Now I will put off the gas and cooled it for 2 minutes more. After 2 minutes of cooling it, now I will give the lemon juice into it. I give the lemon juice stirred by a filter. You can see it. Now I stir this milk with a spatula. You can see it. You have to stir it very little like this. When you stir it, you can see that paneer separate from the milk. You can see it. You have to stir it for 1 minute to make the paneer very nicely. After 1 minute of stirring it, you can see paneer separate from the milk very nicely. Now I strain the water from the paneer with the help of filter. You can see how to strain the water from it. You have to strain the water from the paneer like this. I don't give all the paneer water into this filter now. I strain only most of the water from this paneer. Now I will give all the paneer into this bowl and strain rest of the water with the help of cotton cloth. Now I gave the paneer into this cotton cloth and soak the water from this. Now I soak this paneer into a cold water bowl. You can see it. I soak this with the cold water because if you soak it, paneer becomes so soft. Now I tied this cotton cloth very tightly and soak the water from the paneer very nicely. I rest it for 10 minutes for soak the water from it. Now I take a karai and give 6 glass of water into it and boiled it. Now I give the sugar into it and stir it with the help of spatula like this for melt it. Now I boiled it for 5 minutes. After 10 minutes I remove the cloth from the paneer like this and see all the water extract from the paneer very nicely. You can see it. Also paneer becomes so soft. Now I smash this paneer with the help of this part of the hand. You can see how to smash it. I smash this paneer very nicely for 5 minutes with the help of this part very nicely. You can see it. After smashing this paneer very nicely, when you feel that oil extract from the paneer, when you feel that in your hand, you can think that your paneer smashed very nicely. You can see it, our paneer feel very light. Now I share a secret with you. When you give the rasgulla into the sugar water, rasgulla will be break. So if you give little amount of corn flour into this, rasgulla will not break. I give here little amount of corn flour into the smashed paneer. Now I mix this paneer with the corn flour very nicely and smashed it for 1 minute more very smoothly. I mix the corn flour with the paneer very nicely. Now I will make a dough of paneer. Now I will take small lychee from this dough. You can see it, I take small lychees from it. I make 11 lychees from that dough. You can see it. Now I take one lychee from this and make a rasgulla shape with my hand like this. You can see it. I make one rasgulla. You can see it. Like this I make all the rasgullas. You can see I make here 11 rasgulla shape from that 11 lychees. I already boiled the sugar juice for 5 minutes. Now I will keep the flame low and give all the rasgullas one by one. Now I give the first one. Like this I will give all the rasgullas one by one. You can see it how to give all the rasgullas. You can see I gave all the rasgullas into the juice. Now I will make the flame high and don't give any cover. Now I will keep the flame high for 5 minutes without stir it. After 5 minutes you can see our rasgulla swelled very nicely. Now I didn't stir it and keep the flame high. Now I give the lid into it. After give the lid I have to boil it for 5 minutes more. Remember, don't stir this rasgulla now. After 5 minutes of boiling, now I will remove the lid from this and stir this with a spatula very softly. You can see how smoothly you have to stir it. Now I will put the lid again and keep the flame medium and boil it for more 2 minutes. Between 2 minutes, now I am sharing one more secret with you. I take 2 glasses of cold water into a bowl and give some ice into it. When our rasgullas boiled very nicely, you have to give the rasgulla immediately into it. If you give this rasgulla into it, rasgulla become very soft and spongy. That's why I am taking this cold water. After 2 minutes, now I am remove the lid from this, and you can see our rasgulla swelled very nicely and looked very beautiful. Now I will put the gas off and give all the rasgulla one by one immediately into that cold water. I put the gas off and take one rasgulla and give this into that cold water. You can see I give the rasgulla one by one. You have to give the rasgulla when it was hot. I gave here all the rasgullas. When I give the rasgulla into this cold water, you can see our all rasgullas dipped very nicely. It means it boiled very nicely. Now I will rest it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I take one rasgulla for you and show you how spongy it is. I take one rasgulla from this and I give some pressure into it. You can see the juice come out from this rasgulla. You can feel I give little pressure into this rasgulla. That's why rasgulla shape becomes square. Now I put this rasgulla again into this juice and you can see immediately our rasgulla become round shape again. You can see it becomes round shape again. You can see it. It means our rasgulla boiled very nicely and it becomes so soft and spongy. Now I take another rasgulla for you and showed you again. You can see I give some pressure into it. After that it becomes a square shape. You can see it, and I give it again and it becomes round shape again. I show you again. That means our all rasgullas boiled very nicely. Now I will serve it into a plate. Now I take one by one rasgulla from this juice and give some pressure into it. for removing the water from this. You can see our all rasagullas shaped very nicely and didn't break anything. So it means our rasgulla boiled very nicely. Now I will give the sugar juice which I am boiling this rasgulla first. I give the juice with a spoon very little. You can see it. Please try it at home and comments me how tasty it is. Also, if you like this video, please share this video to your family and your friends. Also, subscribe my page. Thank you.